Members Secretary ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board Mspcb Dr. George S. Sushang ulapan siya baka board kamla ban Khot padlong Biang ka Sngap Paidbah na ka public hearing kabala dawa da ka Senghenyo Trap Integrated Territorial Organization hitu. Habakren chikilat pathai kubor menta kasngi ka arpo artarik risau arja arpo sau Dr. George ulaong baka board kamdan ka board ban Khot Biang ka Sngap Paidbah Henry ka Shong ka Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change jong ka Sarkar India. Ulaong ba yakani ka jing ujor jong ka hito kin pha sha ka Moef bakan bishar bha la ban kdo baka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kala penlong ye ka jing Sngap Paidbah ha ka khat pratarik risau arja apo sau ha shtong wa ye jer East Chanta Hills District halor ka jing pan jing bit jong ka company Mega Top Cement Private Limited makan bu ghar khana banti mau shun ha ka shnong wa ye jer.
Here with these three NGOs from Chanta Hills, including two of Central Bank.
Yeah, as you must have seen, we have received prior information that HITOs along with other two NGOs, they are coming for sit-in demonstration. And we are also prepared to see if there is any untoward incidents, and we don't want untoward incidents to happen. And the same has been informed to the competent authority, for which you must have seen security magistrate have been provided. And then it was quite a peaceful protest. We appreciate the NGOs in this case. And after that, they have come to my office with a memorandum or a complaint letter informing us that on the day the public hearing was held pertaining to the Megatop Cement, the same was held on the 18th. They have informed us verbally as well as in black and white that they were deprived of attending the said public hearing. And they were asking us as to what role did we play to stop them from entering. I have made a very clear-cut clarification to them that we don't have a role to play beyond the stage or the platform. Our role is to assist the deputy commissioner or any other representative nominated by the deputy commissioner. In this particular case, in which the EDM Bawaji was nominated, so he was the one presiding over the public hearing, and we assisted him. So our presence at the entry or anywhere is not mandatory, or rather the subject matter does not belong to this office. That was the clarification we have given.
What about
That as to this demand reconducting a public hearing, we have no authority to reconduct us because the same has already been completed. But the case of appraisal lies with the authority of the MOEF, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So whatever complaint they have given, we will be forwarding the same complaint to MOEF. So taking a final call is up to the competent authority. And regarding reconducting, we are bound to comply. So whatever which comes from the higher authority, we are bound to comply.
any deadline?
No such deadline, but that we try our best to get the things disposed in the shortest of time. So whatever representation they have sent, we will be forwarding it to the concerned authority within the shortest of time we can.